Hi, it's Jan D'Autry. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. It might be the original one-pot wonder, rich and savory pot roast. Here's what you'll need. About 3 pounds of a cross-rib bottom rounder chuck roast, a sweet yellow onion, some garlic, celery, and a leek, and carrots. I'm also adding potatoes. You'll also need diced tomatoes, tomato paste, and beef broth, plus herbs like rosemary, thyme, and bay leaves. Finally, red wine and olive oil. In a Dutch oven, heat the oil. Pat the roast dry and season liberally with salt and pepper on both sides. Sprinkle some flour in a pan and coat the roast really well. Then sear the roast in the hot oil, making sure all sides are browned. Then remove the roast and sauté the veggies, the onion, garlic, leek, and celery, and carrots. Now add some red wine, bring to a boil, and add beef broth, tomato paste, diced tomatoes, and the herbs. Put the roast back into the pot and add the potatoes. And now it's ready for the oven. A couple of hours later, the ultimate one-pot wonder for family or company. Thanks for watching the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.